Good morning, boys and girls. Okay, so today we're going to make a craft. We're going to make some pressed flowers. And that is something I just loved to do when I was a little girl. I remember collecting flowers in my mum and daddy's garden. And I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay, so we have a helper here today. Murphy, come on, out of the library, up here. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Murphy, what are you doing? Murphy, no, I'm sorry now, we haven't started and you don't put the flowers in your mouth. Oh, sorry about that now, everybody. What are you doing? Now we need to mind those very carefully. Oh, now, over you go. Now you had your breakfast already this morning. Now say hi to everybody. Now, look at you, still have one stuck there. What are you doing? Okay, now will we show the girls and boys what we need? Okay, so there is 4 items you need. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first one is, what do we need? Yeah, very good. Okay, we need a heavy book. Okay, so will you find a heavy book for me there, Murphy? Off you go. Bring it over. Well, now, Murphy, no, that's quite light, isn't it? What do you think, boys and girls? That looks a bit light. It feels light. No, we need a heavy one. Now, we discussed this now earlier. Come on, find the heavy one. Let's see. Oh, look, is that it down there? What were you doing with it down there, Murphy? Oh, my finger. It is a heavy one. Okay, so this is a heavy book. Oh, yeah, you can help me. Very good, Murphy. Come out from under there now, please. Murphy, come on. We'd be running out of time. There we go. Show them how thick it is. Look, a heavy book. Okay, very good. And what else do we need? We need some newspaper. Okay, so I'm sure everybody has maybe a bit of newspaper in the house. If you don't, just a plain piece of white paper. So we have newspaper here, which we cut in half, and we have it open there like that. So now open the middle of the book there, Murphy. Into the middle. Because we want lots of pages on top of it. And we put our newspaper in the middle there. Okay, so that's it. So you see the newspaper's in there. Why we do that is because the newspaper will pull the moisture, all the sort of any water that out of the flowers, and that'll dry them, okay? Because it's pressed dried flowers we're making. Isn't that right, Murphy? Very good. Okay, so now we're going to arrange them really kind of nicely on our paper. Okay, so we might just pick a few different colours, okay? So off you go, Murphy. Will you get a few there? Murphy, now come on. We need to kind of arrange them around a bit. All right, well, okay. We'll help each other, okay? So we might just, I think maybe 3 on each page might be enough. So we have, what's that there? Remember we were talking about that. That's the butter mug. No, not the butter mug, the butter cup. And do you know, we might get a better sample now than that. Let's see. Look, here's one with all its little petals there. See that? And does everybody know when you put the buttercup in under your chin, it makes your chin turn yellow? Oh, yeah, but yours is already yellow. It is indeed. What about mine? If I put it in under, can you see, is it yellow? It's blue? No, I don't think so now. I think you're just joking. Okay, so we're going to put that in there and that in there. And what about a daisy? Find the daisy. Can you pick it up? Well done, very good. Okay, all right now. And so what are we going to do now? We're going to close the book. So you see all the flowers, if you can see them there. There they are. We'll try and turn that dandelion around. It's nice to have a bit of stem as well. And, fingers crossed. So we'll close that over. That one there. So there they are. They're in there, okay? We'll do one more so you can get another piece of paper. So you can put as many or as few flowers as you want in each section, okay? It's up to yourself. You might decide to do, 1 flower, 2 flowers. You might decide to do just one colour. So I love these now. And, I actually don't know what these ones are called. And they're growing in my garden. I'm going to have to find out. Maybe some mummy or daddy out there or grandparent probably would know what these ones are. Aren't they beautiful? You're very good holding the book there. Thank you, Murphy. Okay, now, There we go. So there we have 4 of these beautiful, I don't know if they're violas. I don't want to say that now in case I'm wrong. So we'll have to find out. I just hold that one up there. Somebody might know what those are. Okay, and now we're going to press it down. Will you press it down? Well, now my finger. Put my finger out first. Okay, so they're in there now safely. And we need now, this isn't really heavy enough. So we're going to need, if you have any weights at home, or some more heavy books. Okay, so Murphee, what are you doing? Yeah, you're just saying hi. I know, but we're still in the middle of showing the children what to do. So now we need a few more books. Okay, off we go. Well done, Murphee. And another one. Oh, very good. Oh, he's sitting on top. Well done. Okay. No, they're not ready yet. Now, that is actually the 4th thing that you need for this. Okay, I didn't tell you about it. So you needed your flowers that you're going to collect, maybe in the garden, or if you happen to be walking out along the road, along the verges, there's actually a lot of daisies and things like that growing. There's a lot of wild areas now around in parks as well, which is great for all our bumblebees and butterflies. So you're bound to find some somewhere. And then you need your heavy books, isn't that right? Heavy ones. Okay, and of course your newspaper, or just normal paper. So we'll sure be, good actually if everybody tries something different. We'll see, how they all turn out. Now, the 4th thing you need is, no, not ice cream. No, it's not time for that now yet. The 4th thing we need is patience. Okay, so remember we always talked about patience. What does patience mean? Very good. We have to wait, okay? Yes, we do have to wait. What? No, they're not ready yet. Definitely not, no. So do you know what? We're going to actually have to wait for about a week or even 2. But I think in a week we will check and see how they are looking. We can have a little peek, okay? But so if you're doing this, you have to be patient. So that means, what is a week now? We're going to have to wait. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is a little while, but sure, it'll be exciting, and it's always good to wait, isn't that right? Yeah, very good. Okay, so try that now if you can, and it'll be great to see everybody's results. Okay, so say bye, Murphee. Oh, very good. Well done. Lovely to see you. Take care. We'll be doing a story again soon, and you're doing terrific with all the art and craft that Nicola is sending through, and Sue, all the exercises. We love Joyce, of course. Everybody loves Joyce, and that's our rainy day music, which we haven't had many of, but it's lovely to do it now in the sun. Okay, take care. Bye.